Hello viewers, again welcome. So we are talking about crafting and handmade Xmas trees. Now we are showing you a very beautiful and interesting designs of Xmas tree, handmade and wooden and ceramic as something different and something unique. We are trying to bring for you the best ideas and best designs, beautiful collection. So these are very interesting designs, and in this video we're going to show you very interesting tips of grow business and make something different with something make something beautiful trees by crafting with cardboard and fleece. Fleece is a soft fabric and cardboard is a eco-friendly and budget-friendly item, and take some cinnamons and ornaments, make some take some mold and glue gun, glue stick and something like that. Whatever you have, you can make beautiful things by this design, by getting ideas of these designs, and these designs are very interesting and popular for this season. So take some ornaments, add some cinnamons, add some cardboard, add some sleeves, buttons, beads, and make your Xmas trees and make some extraordinary piece with some ordinary things. So if your mind is powerful, if you're getting ideas from this video, you can make something fantastic and fab. Post on social media and take some photos, make a story behind that. People wants to buy a story and they are appreciate you if your product is good. So take idea from this video, take some wooden piece and make some green and red, crafting something soft, cozy and full of festive spirit. So Xmas trees made from fleece fabric. Fleece is the one of the most easiest thing, most affordable and warmest fabric to the work with, and it's perfect for Xmas craft. In this video we will explore fleece and cardboard craft and ceramic making product, how to make fleece Xmas trees, some variations are tips, and even how can turn these handmade decoration into a small business idea. Fleece is thick, fluffy and doesn't fray, which means you don't need advanced sewing skill to work with it. It cuts cleanly, holds its shapes and feels incredibly cozy. Just like the holiday, a fleece tree can be a soft table centerpiece, a child-friendly decoration, or even a gift idea for friends and family. Materials is step-by-step process. Here what you will need: green fleece fabric for or any color you like, scissor, hot glue or fabric glue, a cone base. You can cardboard foam or even roll paper into a cone, embellishments, buttons, beads, ribbons, sequins. Cut your fleece into strips about 2-3 inches. Fringe the spirit by cutting small slits along one edge. Starting from the bottom of the cone, glue each strip around with the fringe facing down like branches. Keep layering strips upwards until you reach the top. Add decoration. Glue on beads as ornament, tie a ribbon bow or sprinkle glitter. Finish with a fleece star or pom-pom on top. Now have you a soft fluffy fleece Xmas tree ready. There are many ways to customize your fleece trees, rustic style – and add some cardboard style. So cardboard trees. So you will mix fleece cardboard style mixed trees into the soft cozy but also eco-friendly and sculpture. The way you want to make, here is the tips. Today we are crafting something magical trees made with cardboard. These two materials, fleece and cardboard, these two materials might sound completely different. One is soft and cozy, the other is strong and recycled. But together they create beautiful budget friendly decorations in this beautiful. I will show you these designs, very beautiful ideas of trees, and even combine both for unique holiday pieces. Plus I will share something handy business tips to your craft into sales. So now let's try cardboard materials. Cardboard sheet, scissor or craft knife, hot glue, paint or wrapping paper. Cut two identical tree shapes from cardboard. On one cut a slit from bottom to the middle, the other cut from the top to the middle. Slide them together to create a standing 3D. Paint green, wrap with fabric or cover with glitter. Decorate with buttons, sequins or fairy lights. This tree is structured, sturdy and eco-friendly, perfect if you want something long-lasting. Here's the fun part, mixing both materials. Wrap a cardboard cone with fleece strips for extra sturdiness. Add cardboard stars, snowflakes or cut out ornaments to your fleece tree. Use fleece bows and trims to decorate a cardboard tree. Create a set, one moss fleece tree and one rustic cardboard tree displayed side by side. The combination gives your holiday decor texture and contrast, making it stand out beautifully. I would like to sell this handmade trees. If you would like to sell these handmade trees, here is how. Eco Angel. Market cardboard trees as sustainable and fleece trees as cozy child-friendly decor. Gift bundles. Sale pairs. One fleece, one cardboard tree, and ornaments. Personalization, add customer initials comment in the comments or colors to match their holiday name. Stay blessed. God bless you all.